Hello, viewers, and welcome to another episode of Crime and Justice Report with Ifoma. This is a show where we bring you all trending reports on various crimes that has been committed, those involved in these crimes, what the authorities are doing to bring the perpetrator or perpetrators to face the full weight of the law, all in a bid to ensure that justice is not just done, but also seen by all to have been done. Stay with us. Welcome back. The story of a 6-year-old girl who was defiled in Benin City, Nigeria, had gone viral. This is particularly a very sad story for many reasons. First off, the young man involved in this act, a young man of about 20 years old who is known as Desmond Obinya, actually raped or defiled this little girl to a point that she started bleeding profusely. Now, investigation into this crime revealed that this young man actually used a white handkerchief to wipe, this little girl's blood, and then handed it over to a native doctor for suspected ritual purposes. So this has been the story surrounding this very crime, but luck ran out of him when the little girl, of course, told her parents, and the parents indeed noticed the blood from this child and got the police involved. The suspect, Desmond Obinya, was arrested alongside the native doctor, and the white blood-stained handkerchief was recovered. Also recovered from the scene of this crime, which is the house of the suspect, were drugs which the suspect allegedly bought for the little girl in order to control the bleeding, from try to stop the blood which was obviously coming out from the little girl. But before we go further into this report, I would like you to listen to Liti Osakewe, who spoke to Pinnacle TV very clearly on what transpired. Abeg, tell me your name.
Sakewe.
Osakewe.
Sakewe.
Which class you dey?
Primary 2.
How old you dey?
6 years.
I want make you tell me wetin happen to you.
That time my mom dey house. My mom go to sleep. Now I go dey play for corner for there. The boy go pass backyard. He go come carry me for there. He go carry me go house.
When they carry you reach in house, if they carry you go in house?
Yes.
Okay, where they carry you enter for the house?
Na for inside your room.
When they don't carry enter inside your room, what you come do to you?
He go put my pants.
When you put your pants, what they tell you may you do?
You go come buy rice, you go come feed me by yourself. Rice and egg, you go come feed me by yourself. After you feed you finish, now you go come put you. Now you go feed the ones you have to do. The so-called time again as spaghetti and egg. Spaghetti and egg. You got the ones you have to do. You got the ones you have to do. That evening of night, now the boy come because he go carry me again. Now the boy come, he come put my pants. Now the boy come the ones in your face, they do my face. Now the boy come put his body for my body.
The boy puts in body?
Yes.
For where?
For this place.
May you touch and may we see.
For this place.
Poor little girl, we hope that justice is served pretty soon. Now, what is also sad about this story is how the Nigerian police have been frustrating the investigation and prosecution of the suspects involved in this case. Now, what is even more appalling is the fact that the father of the girl, Mr. Onyema, who reported this matter to the police, was brutally molested and assaulted by the Nigerian police at the state headquarters for no just cause, but which of course he had attributed to the fact that he rejected the 200,000 naira compensation which was offered by the family of the suspect in order to close up the case. This of course did not go down well with the police, particularly the investigating police officer in charge of this case. She actually used very demeaning and threatening words on Mr. Onyema, who is the complainant in this case. Now, this actually led Mr. Onyema to our studio where he was obviously stranded, crying out for help, and spoke to our team on how he has been mistreated, by the police, all in a bid to try to get justice for his little daughter. We're going to take a clip from our interview with Mr. and Mrs. Onyema. Let's take a look. We have the parents of this little girl here with us in the studio, and we would like you to meet Mr. Onyema. Mr. Onyema, you're welcome to the show. Thank you. And Madam, you're also welcome to the show. Now, I would like you to talk to us. I'll start from you, Madam, because I know this is not easy for you as a mother. I would like you to tell us what happened. How did you observe that something was wrong?
My daughter will say one play for her side. They play for her side. But some minutes I not go hear the voice, I go see run come aside. Saturday I notice this thing. When he come back, she dey breathe with blood. I say, who do you this? I check her. Who do you? He say it's Destiny. I ask her, say, you will know the place because I don't already find her that night. I don't see her. When he come back, they breathe. You go feel no road? He say no. Say if they break, he go carry me go the place. True, when they break, we go for the Destiny house. I don't know the boy before. The boy don't know me. When we reach the compound, pass one first street, the second 2 streets. Then the boy go church. Then they go invite the boy come for church. The boy no want come back. It take time for the boy come back. Then he and some people come back. They pass 10 number where he come. But they told me say they no go show me the boy. They no go show my daughter. Say now he go use his hand point the boy. Truth, my daughter point at the same.
Who tell you?
The people where they there. The people where they there. Say they no go show us. Say they no go show my daughter. Now my daughter go by herself talk the person. True, my daughter point the boy. They say, may he go touch her. He touch her and say, this is very man where wear white. What is the name? He say his name is Destiny.
Okay.
Then they say, may he take her. The year where they stay with the boy, his grandmother, say, may he take her to the boy room. My daughter carry the year go the boy room. He go show her the boy room.
Okay.
Further call the do. Further Ahilala ma begin the open eye for me, say him be Ahilala ma.
Who carried the Ayelala man come there?
You say na him be the family of the people.
The man they live with the Destiny?
No, he not living, not they live there, not they live with them. As the matter they go on now and see the Ahilala ma. That very Sunday.
Okay.
Then he begin the open eye for me. Begin they say he want use me and my daughter go swear. Then say after all better money go pass and come.
Okay.
Say make I forget the later he say make I forget the issue. Say better money go pass and come.
Okay.
Then I say
okay, well, anyway, before we go further, we just want to really find out from you. Waiting be the thing where you observe. Waiting you notice for your daughter body.
They shook penis for a body.
Okay.
Blood they breathe.
You see the blood they
yes,
come out.
I see the blood.
Okay.
My wife called me on phone. Say where I dey make I run come o. One man don rape our daughter. The thing sounds strange to me. I say which job? Because I never get daughter when you don't get breast. He say now our small daughter was like me. I shock. I quickly leave wetin I dey do because me I dey drive. I know how to drive motor. I dey receive the use keke presently. Dey work. Now I run come on. When I reach house that night, I see blood from her private part. Night don't come. This lockdown where they say coffee, no movement for 10 o'clock day. We not feel going on. Cause okay, our daughter still tell us say, you know, if you know the place that night, say na daybreak, because see na the destiny na carry come house, that is carry and come our backyard. Na it leave and make it come house. So okay, when they break, now say okay, make the mother follow. May go show on the place. Then while me myself, I run down to Testa Mill police station for Edo State for Benin here, where they serve that our side for Welu. Report the matter. When the police people hear them, they say okay, they mobilize quick, ask me for mobilization fee and other things I pay. They follow me. Well, as they come, my wife and my daughter don't reach our compound. Now they will go carry them. I will go. Our daughter can go show us with police this time. The boy house. When we reach there, the destiny don't run. Destiny Obian. Son name na Obian. Obian. Why your name na Destiny?
Destiny, okay.
He don't run. Go catch native doctor with medical drugs when he go buy for my daughter, with some charms when he for the side the Destiny Obian's compound. They could ask him who he be. He say now they are family native doctor. How you dey live for the compound? He say no. Where you dey live? He say now local for see your side after Ogbowo of Benin City. Say how come you take come here? Say na Destiny mama. Na I call him wey dey abroad for Germany. Na I call him come that early morning. Na I call him say make him come the house. That is why over this mom. The call say over this case. He say yes. I say wetin come be your role inside? He call dey beg police. Say I beg say in don't try to resolve the matter. And then police take handcuff her, put her for
The native doctor.
the native doctor. Go. That Monday around 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. That on the 5th of July 2020. Reaching police station when police see my daughter.
The police have been looking into this matter since January,
Since
July.
July 5th.
July 5th.
Yes,
that
that
was
was
the
reported.
first time you reported the matter.
Yes.
So what's the outcome of the investigation so far? Are you aware if if the suspects have been charged to court?
Yes.
What stage is the matter now?
The stage, I'm not satisfied with the police, Nigerian police. Because when the lawyer came in, when I called my lawyer on the 9th of July 2020, my lawyer asked for the IPO number, tested me, and the DPO. I test and give him. He called them immediately. Say, may they transfer that matter to state the following day. Say, give them 12 hours. He said, in short, he's driving down the next day from Asaba to Benin. So, when they hear from that lawyer, now they tell the other Destiny Obian's lawyer, say, the man, if let's say ready for case, so, say, don't call that in your lawyer. Say, their hand not there again, no. May they know what they want to do. If they go tip up the money to increase the money, according to them, they say, not tip up, now they call them. Say for that 200,000. Now they beat me. Now I say no. I never explained to me this native doctor issue. I no one lost my daughter. Why don't they nurse? Now maybe her guardian. Me and my wife. I said no one lost into any ritual or anything. Say I beg, not be the 200,000 be my issue. Despite at the husband and the ordinary keke rider, yes, but according to the police, they call me ordinary keke rider. I'm not going to collect 200,000. Say I go see myself. One day I no go see. Say and they go spoil the case. Now say no fit spoil am. God will if he make this thing come to open to our notice and before anything something happen to my daughter, that God will rescue us from this case. He's a God of justice. I say I can't do that. I police say enter me. They can't call their people for state CID. They say they want bring one matter come. May they prepare, may they receive and say nah be ordinary keke rider. Say if they come, may they handle me well. Say may they not worry you. Say be ordinary keke rider. Say the Destiny Obian, mama de Germany. Say money de the case. Say but me they show strong, stubborn head. And I want collect the money wey they offer me. And so I call they beg them for them. Say no, not be so. They say make I go see myself. Contractor, they can't collect money for me that on the 10th, on Friday 10th of July 2020, police collect money from me for testing police station. Both to transfer the case, both to type am. I spent thousands of naira Even when my money not reach my wife, now even send it, can't go her own bank, go see collect small money, can't give me what they complete them for them. When we reach state CID, so they enter, they just receive us. They handcuff the Destiny Obia. The native doctor, they go call am for house because they don't bail am before for testament. Native doctor come now, they handcuff am, join Destiny Obia, where we take they go. On our way going, native doctor begin cry, begin shout. Say they deceive am, come again. Say they want close the case. Say no, say the case still dey on. Say they say no, if for don't run. They cry, mama, they cry, papa, they cry, and they la God. Say na so him take go. Now IPO call they tell am, the police call they tell am, say may no worry, may calm down. Say Destiny people go rescue am out. Inside motor, where we dey inside motor? My wife, with Benin language, now the man they take cry. When we reach state, they don't call receive us. The police already there, they wait for us, so they just station themselves. They carry us enter. They come say, okay, where the boy, when he do the thing, they come, the IPO when carry us from testament, the police will carry us from testament, come show them. Because okay, where the parents of the boy, the girl, when they defy, and they come show us. Because okay, because me and my wife stand for center. Before that time, I put my phone on record. Oh. Someone stand for center there. Say, what's it make us they behave like this? Now on that one come again. Say, you want make case, you don't get money. Now say I beg, I don't want make case. I just want to lead me to justice. So before these people go use my daughter do wetin, I don't know wetin they doing to whether na ritual or yahoo. See native dog. They say make I shut up my mouth. Say I say I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. If I know they don't slap me, give me slap for left hand side.
The police officers.
The police officers. Yes, I know them. Their face. If I see them, I go recognize them face to face.
Okay.
Slap me once. Give me do I hear one? Give me on that one here. I begin shots. They cry. Everything they inside on my phone. I did this lawyer when I call from Asaba. When he take rush come. As he call me.
So you record all these
yes.
conversation?
Yes. The lawyer just called me and I said I will dey inside state for so place for my family unit side. I said now they snatch the phone from my hand. Say who I dey call? Say I don't get permission to make call anywhere here now. For the presence of the suspects where the handcuff take come. Those the Snowbian and the native doctor come they laugh. They carry me, they say, I sit down for ground. Okay. I sit down for ground. The lawyer witness him. When I sit down for ground, even the shout.
Your lawyer don't.
Yes, he witness him. I say, don't run, come. Now he see me for ground. He say, what did they happen? Now I say, they carry me, they beat me since so. How they I say, when they just seize my phone. Immediately, they carry the phone, they give my IPO. The police will come from test me. Pass back, they give him. Now I say, my lawyer, see, they give her my phone. The way they seize from me before. And the man was okay, make I come. Say that witness. Because they ask the police, say, is this thing personal? Now they can say no sir, but who are you? He say in a barrister so they can say okay sir, no they go. They say make I stand up now. Make I stand up. Why is this stuff on ground? Wow. Now I say what did they happen? I say see me oh.
This is so sad.
For my present, sorry man, for my present, the family of Destiny, the IPO they can push me give the woman IPO where they push me give to the family units according to the first that state CID. That one just I my wife say as we be. As we dey wretched, we no dey eat, we no get money. As our daughter even be. I say I'm sorry ma. I beg no vex. He say make I shut up. Now the family of Destiny Obian come close to her. I say mama, no worry. We'll see you in camera.
This is definitely so sad. Now, Mr. Onyema's lawyer, Barrister Samson, also spoke to newsmen where he expressed his disappointment and dismay over the manner in which the Nigerian police has been handling this matter, how the Nigerian police have concealed all the evidence or, removed all the evidence that was recovered, the bloodstained handkerchief, the drugs, even the said native doctor is nowhere to be found. And of course, when we confronted him with the new revelations of the said native doctor having said to have passed on, he refuted such claims and said no information whatsoever have been communicated to him by the police in that regard. Let's listen to him.
So I called the DPO to transfer the case from the Tesame police station down to the state CID when I discovered or noticed that the case was about to be compromised upon. So when the matter got to the state CID, it was being handled by the unit called Family Unit. Two suspects, which include the defendant and one native doctor who was involved in this case, were transferred to the state CID. Then exhibits, which include the sham recovered from the medical doctor and the drugs, were also transferred to the state CID by the former RPO. So when the matter got to the state CID, we don't know what the police was up to. We discovered that the native doctor was released. And the police, what the police are telling us now is this, that the native doctor is dead. Please, you want to know, if the native doctor is actually dead, where is the death certificate? Was the native doctor, did the death occur in the police station? Or was it Gate Bay before he died? Where is the graveyard? So we want the public to know about this. And sir, with all due respect, it also came to my knowledge that when the matter was already tried to court, because the nominal complainant went on ahead to one of all these media centers, especially ITV, to complain and to the Ministry of Women Affairs. They hurriedly charged the defendant to court. Now, the additional statements made by the complainants, nominal complainants, were omitted. The exhibit, which include the sham, the drug, were also omitted. So that's why we are actually requesting or pleading to the Commissioner of Police, Edo State Command, the AIG Zone 5, and the Inspector General of Police, that this matter should be reinvestigated. The matter should be withdrawn and reinvestigated. We cannot just come and define a 6-year-old child or minor and the blood, because when the matter was at the police, when the native doctor was arrested, the native said they wanted to use the blood. He worked for the family. I said this without any iota of fear, that he wanted to use the blood. That's what he said. And secondly, and most importantly, there are other suspects who are involved in this scandal. 2 ladies were involved. One of the ladies happened to be the landlord's daughter, where the father of the defied minor lived. In the course of investigation, the father drew my attention that when they got to the scene of crime, they showed the IPO that this lady, one of the ladies was involved, and they pointed the lady to the IPO, and the IPO did not arrest the lady. Because it was that lady that actually lured the minor into a room. He lured the man into a room and gave her a plate of rice and head of fish. So after the minor finished eating, that's when the defendant was purportedly called upon to come and defy, before the native doctor was called upon, that he was for the family with to use the blood, whatever they want to use it for, but we hope that it's a ritual. Yahoo.
The suspect has been charged to court, where he is currently facing a 1-count charge bordering on defilement at the family unit of the magistrate court in Benin City, Edo State. However, on the last adjourned date, the prosecutor informed court that she has been directed to return the case file to the investigating authorities for investigation. Now, the question that keeps bugging the minds of everyone is, how come you want to return the case file to the investigating authorities for investigation at this stage when the suspect has already been charged to court? Is it right to say that no investigation whatsoever was carried out at all? Now, our news crew earlier spoke to the police public relations officer, SP Shidi Nwabozo, who confirmed this case and stated that investigations into this matter had been concluded. Let's listen to him.
We are talking about a case of defilement under Section 218 of Criminal Code. That case was reported to Texas-May Road Divisional Police Headquarters, Benin City, by one Palace Beauty that the suspect, one Obiayam Destiny, defiled a girl child of 6 years old. During the investigation, the suspect, Obiayam Destiny, was arrested, and he made statement to that effect, confessing that he had the carnal knowledge of that girl child of 6 years old. I don't want to mention the name of the victim, and you know what I mean by that. We are protecting the identity of the victim. The case was transferred to the state CID, for further investigation. The state CID gender unit, known as family unit, took it up from there, did their investigation, and charged the case to court on the 5th of August 2020. The case was charged to Family Court 1 and later transferred on the 21st of August to Family Court 2.
Well, it's rather curious that after the PRO had stated that investigations into this matter have been concluded and that the suspects have been charged to court, that the prosecutor will then come up to say, well, I've been directed to return the case file to the investigating officers for investigation. Well, your guess is as good as mine. We'll keep you posted on, more happenings as the events in this case continue to unfold. We are definitely going to bring you reports on what is going on in this very case. Don't go away. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so that you can always watch these videos fresh and hot when we upload them. Do well to drop your comments. If you have any, drop your comments at the comment section, and we'll respond to your questions. And of course, you can always bring in your suggestion. You can always report whatever that is happening in your neighborhood. We are definitely on ground to get them all captured. Until we see next time, to bring you more news on crime and justice reports, stay tuned.